If you're new to your Galaxy Buds 3 or the Buds 3 Pro, you got the in-ear detection. So assuming you have the wearable app already installed on your Samsung phone or any other Android phone, you're using the Buds 3, Buds 3 Pro. And here's where you can find the in-ear detection, as for some of us, this setting may be off at default. So let's do it. Whenever you want to start using the in-ear detection, go into the wearable app, assuming you have the latest update. As you tap on that one time here, you will see these right there. And this is the Buds 3 Pro, but the Buds 3 should have it. Go down to where it says earbud settings, and as you tap on that one time, you'll see the part that says in-ear detection. As you tap on that here one time, you'll see two options, and they might be disabled at default. So switch calls to phone when both earbuds are removed. So let's just say you have your earbuds in your ears and you're in a call and you decide to take them out of your ears because you're just tired of listening through your ears. When you take them out your ears, even if you haven't put them back in the case, they will switch to the phone's built-in speaker or the original audio sound of the phone itself. Then the one that says pause media when one earbud is removed. So if you've ever been listening to music with two earbuds on and you notice when you take out one, suddenly the song just pauses, that's just the in-ear detection. So whether you like this feature and you want it on, turn it on. But if you don't like it for the media option, just come back here and turn it off. Like and sub.